compatibility is the key to unlocking all of what the cloud has to offer. Veeam Backup and Replication Direct Restore to the cloud allows you to instantly recover on-premises workloads directly to the cloud. This is useful in multiple cases, including data recovery in emergency situations and unlocking the cloud for test and development purposes. Direct Restore for cloud-based testing allows you to scale resources up and down as needed, really unlocking the cloud for all it has to offer. This is beneficial when testing applications or patches, because there's no strain on the local storage, network, or compute. Let's see how easy it is to get started. First, we're going to select the machine we wish to restore to the cloud of our choice. It is important to remember to add your cloud credentials prior to the restore, as I have done here in this example. Next, we're going to choose the region and the data center where we want to restore to. You have the option to change the name of the machine once it is restored. Next, we're going to select the instance type. We're also going to choose if we want to bring our own license or if we want to use a license provided by our cloud provider. It's going to give us an estimate of the price per month it is to run the machine in the cloud. Next, we're going to specify our network settings. Running a proxy appliance is recommended for easy restore and fast, efficient restores to the cloud. Now our job is starting, and we are on our way to restoring our machine into the cloud of our choice. Veeam's Direct Restore for cloud-based testing really allows you to unlock the cloud for all it has to offer. This can be useful in a variety of situations, which we have just demonstrated within this video. For more information or to download a free trial, feel free to visit Veeam.com.